Today in front of me I have ZTE Axon 25G, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental control for this device. So first of all, you will need to open settings, then enter the accounts category, and in here check whether you have any Google accounts among the list of, general accounts. If you do have, like me, you will need to get rid of them by removing each account one by one. When this step is out of the way, you can get back to the general settings page and go for the Google category this time. Onwards, tap at the parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Over here, you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so let's do that. After the child's account was signed into, you gotta select it from the list over here, and then enter another Google account credentials, but this time the parent account, or the Google account that you will be using to supervise your child's activity. After you have correctly entered the password, you will be forwarded to the following step, which is at the About Supervision page. So in here, scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button. At the following pop-up or dialog window, go for the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. After that, hit the Next button. The Managing App step we can skip, since we will be able to do that later on with greater precision, so there is no need to distract our attention from the feature setup. The same applies for the Manage Filters and Settings, which we will simply do later on. And at the Manage Parental Controls page, if the phone that is highlighted over here is the device that you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button and get the required app automatically downloaded and installed, or you can go for the skip option at this point and manually get the state or earlier mentioned Family Link application. So the manual way, that's the method that I'll go for. So here is the phone that I'm planning to use to supervise my child. So in here I will need to open the Play Store, find the Family Link app, and get it downloaded and installed. After the Google Family Link application is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, important stuff is to sign into the app with the parental Google account, not any other. And then in here you can do all kinds of stuff, such as managing the daily, or rather set the daily usage limits, downtime routine, manage your child's app experience, so you can enable or disable some apps, restrict the app time, or monitor the app activity in general. You can also apply the content and age restrictions, configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple people to look after, monitor your child's live location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.